Today AI versus human. I'll give ChatGPT the same topic I used to write my YouTube video script, and we'll see which one is better, AI version or mine. You decide it in comment. Welcome to AI with Abdullah, where I test AI tools so you know what's worth your time. The topic reveal. The topic is top 3 AI tools to make money online. I wrote a short YouTube intro for this topic, and ChatGPT also write its version. Ready to see the battle. Human written script. Hi everyone, if you want to make money online using AI but do not know where to start, you are in the right place. Today I'll show you 3 amazing AI tools that can help you earn, whether you are a student, freelancer, or just curious about passive income. Stay tuned for a bonus method. ChatGPT written script. Welcome to this video. Did you know that you can make money online using powerful AI tools without any investment? In today's video, I'll reveal 3 free AI tools you can start using right now to build income streams. Let's dive in. So, which one sounded better? The human written version with more personality and flow, or the ChatGPT written version which was a clear but felt a bit robotic? Here, what I noticed: the AI writes fast but lacks a personal touch. The human written version feels unnatural but taking more time. What do you think? Comment below. AI if you like ChatGPT version, or human if you feel mine better. And if this get enough vote, I'll let AI write my desired video next time. Do not forget subscribe for more AI experiment on AI with Abdullah right here.